Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Piplotia, and today I am talking on IoT smart home system based on 6LoWPAN, and it's a topic for Internet of Things as a subject, and on which we are talking on smart home systems. And in this video, we are explaining some smart home system which are based on 6LoWPAN. So without any delay, I would like to start my video and the information. Uh, Here we can see that in my first slide, our agenda is about to know that what is IoT, and after IoT, we are looking for some smart home network, how the smart home networks are made it, and then after we are working on architecture and protocol stacks. Uh, what is the architecture for a smart home, and what are the protocol stack? Then after we are looking for implementation and working, how the implementation takes place, and the how the working is taking place in the smart home systems. Then after, what are the applications, and in last we are looking for the references. So in the next slide we are looking for what is Internet of Things. So the Internet of Things is the network of physical objects accessed through the internet as defined by technology analysts and visionaries. These objects contain embedded technology to interact with the internal state of the external environment. So in future, digital sensing, communication, and processing capabilities will ubiquitously embedded into every object, turning them into the Internet of Things, that is IoT. Smart devices which will collect the data, relay the information on context to each other, and process the information collaboratively. And an IoT system is an network of internet where typically a massive number of objects, things, sensors, devices are connected through communication and information infrastructure to provide value-added services via intelligent data processing and management for different applications. So, on talking about the IoT architecture, we are having the application server service providers uh, that are the energy management, surveillance, uh, HVAC control, and access control. So, on the application service provider, this force may be uh, uh, are considered as a service providers. So, and on the IoT management, we are having IoT enablement. Then after we are having the device management that contains internet, and uh, the internet is close to the gateway, and that is totally with the device networks that are 6LoWPAN, CAN-X, and BAC net and Zigbee like device networks. So IoT enabling technologies such as sensors, radio frequency identification, low power and energy harvesting, sensors network, machine type communication, resource constrained networks, real time system, IoT data analytics, uh, in situ processing, and embedded softwares. So the smart home network. What is the smart home network? We can say that the smart home network is using computer network and comprehensive wiring technology to integrate various subsystems related to delay life info into one system through the household information management process management platform. So, in the technology of smart home, we are having wired mode, and in the wire mode, so so in wire mode, all the control signals are transferred by wire mode, and the signals wire in controlling and are too many to check when problem happen. This med has lot of prominent disaverages such as complex cabling, high workload, high cost, difficult to maintenance, and difficult to build network. So, in the wireless mode, the wireless system applied to system home should have the following characteristics that are low power consumption, stabilization, easy to expand grid. As for the transmission speed, it is obvious not the key point for the application. Uh, Here, several wireless mode for a smart home are as Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a kind of wireless technology supporting equipment short distance communications in the range of 10 meters, while the communication distance is too short and the communication mode is the point to point. So, this kind of technology can't meet the requirements for smart home. And Wi-Fi is a kind of short distance transmission technology which supports the radio signal within several hundreds meter to connect with the internet. The biggest feature of Wi-Fi is the that it is very easy for people to access the internet at any time and anywhere. In the Zigbee smart home, we are having the Zigbee smart home is based on IEEE 802.1.5. Because IEEE only deals with the protocol of MAC layer and physical layer. Zigbee or smart home alliances expand the IEEE and standardize the network layer protocol and API. The Zigbee or smart home is a new wireless technology, technique which support range and low power consumption, and it mainly applies to short distance communication. So 6LoWPAN is a networking technology that allows IPv6 packet to be carried efficiently within a small link layer frames, such as those used by IEEE 802.1.15.4. So it is desirable to use IP communicate with small devices widely deployed. IPv6 addressing space is large and allowing even small devices to have a real world routable IPv6 address. So here's the architecture for the smart home system. So on the architecture, we are having low pans are stub networks, simple low pans, single edge routers, and extended low pan are having multiple edge routers with common backbone link, and ad hoc low pan is having no route outside the low pan. So here is the TCP IP protocol stack for the system, and here we are having 6LoWPAN protocol stacks, in which we are having the application as HTTP, RTP, and on the transport we are having TCP, UDP, ICMP in the TCP, and on the network end we are having IP, and on the data link we are having Ethernet MSE, that is MAC, or on the physical we are having Ethernet physical, or in the 6LoWPAN we are having application as application transport is containing the UDP, ICMP, and network IPv6 with low pan data link containing IEEE 802.15.4 MSE, and physical is having IEEE 802.15.4 physical. So 6LoWPAN implementation is likely to be the internet is no longer predominantly accessed by PCs, more and more known PCs, internet connected devices, and being created, and they're not just smartphones and tablets. The Internet of Things is composed of a broad range of products with unique uses. So here we are having some population of things. Uh, in 2003, we are having a very low range, and on the 2010 we are having a high range than 2003, and in 15 we are having more connectivity, and in 2020 it's really having a massive of connectivity. So in that we are having some explanation about a smart home, or imagination about an smart home, that how the things can be used for connecting to make a smart home, and its working is likely to be local remote access from the internet via a secured edge router, and monitor the same temperature, humidity, activation of remote video surveillance, status of the doors locked or open, and home control, that is active the air conditioning, heating, door locks, sprinkles, etc. So optimize the level of energy consumption with input from various sensors, light sensors, presence detection, temperature, etc., and control electric windows, shades, uh, chillers, airflow controls, air conditioning and heating, smart grid interactions with the grid of dynamic monitoring and load shedding. So application, on the other hand, we are having the applications that containing facility building and home automations inside the applications, and personal sports and entertainment is also a good work for applications, healthcare and well-being, assets, asset management, advanced metering in infrastructures, environmental monitoring, security and safety, and industrial automations. So here we are having the applications that are containing the smart home system, and that's all. Thank you.